Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how to see who shared your post on Instagram story. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open Instagram application, then get logged in into your account. Here at the home page of your Instagram, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. There you will be able to see your post. Now to see whether who have shared your post on the Instagram story, you need to tap and open the post. Here you need to tap on three dotted line on the top of the post. You tap on it. There you can see the option of view story reshares. You tap on it and you can see your post has been shared by someone in their Insta story. Now to see it who has done that, you need to tap and open the post. There you can see Nancy Abbott 09 has shared your Insta post to their Insta story. This is how you can see who shared your post on Instagram story. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can see who shared your post on Instagram story. Thank you.